Hello everybody, Jay from West Coast Croppers here, and I'm just going to take a minute and give you our quick review of this here Grow Buds Oscillating Clip Fan that was sent to us about a month ago. First impression, looks absolutely fantastic. I love it. Has a nice metal cage. Metal is good when you are buying things. It's a lot better than plastic. You know, if they're spending money on metal, they're probably spending money on good components. So overall first impression, looks very sturdy. I'm happy with it. I love that it will fit any size of tent post. The monkey fan was kind of a wonky looking thing. I don't know, this thing works great for clipping on. It's got a nice long extension cord that's almost 6 feet, so it gives you lots of flexibility in your tent to be able to place that high or low or front or back or wherever you want to put it in your tent. And I can say right off the hop, this thing works perfectly. Let me plug it in here. Stick it on low setting. Stick it on the low setting, but right away it starts to move, which is nice. The Secret Jardine monkey fan would not even move on the low setting. Blows a lot of air. I'm quite impressed with that. It's a 6.3 inch fan blade. Works perfect in my 4x4. That's full speed. It's a pretty quiet fan, I'll give it that. There's no squeaking and squawking like some fans do. I have a clip fan that doesn't even oscillate, that's forever squeaking. It's really annoying. But yeah, overall guys, I think you guys did a fantastic job on this fan. I don't see any issues. When my Secret Jardine fan I did have going, if I managed to get it going, every time we got to the end of the oscillating, it just crapped out, and really the motor didn't crap out. It just, the gears did, it wasn't strong enough or something, and that's going to be a fire hazard, and we don't want that. So this is a great little fan if you're looking for a simple clip fan that'll clip onto any single one of your tent poles, and all it's got to do is blow a lot of air, go back and forth, no extra bells and whistles. Grow Buds Oscillating Clip Fan. We love it. I'll be using these from now on in all my tents. Thanks guys. Hope you guys enjoyed as much as we did. Peace.